All right, guys, here we go. I think, I was going to try some Monarch down 50 yards through the Ruger RPR. I'm not sure if I ever tried it in that. I may have not. We're going to see. I already ran 10 fowlers there and just the scope through it. Yeah, so we got 10 rounds loaded up here. This has got a Shaw barrel on it. I think it's, what was it, 20-something, 21-inch Shaw barrel or something like that. No, it's not the 18, it's the longer one. Timmy trigger in it. It's got a 24 power CV Life, Bear Swift, Bear Power, Bear Claw, Bear Ass, whatever it's called. He's a lot of different names. But let me set you up in the spine scope here, and we'll get started here. Wind, nice day out here, upper 60s. Wind, phone says wind at 6 miles an hour, so it kind of comes and goes. You can probably. We had some wind here last week. Let me tell you what. Where am I at here? See the wind flags blowing down there, but it destroyed my my other 25-yard shooting stand there. So I got target stand. I gotta fix that back. All right, let me pause you here. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Let's go to that top left diamond there. I'll go for that bottom point of the diamond there first, I guess, and see what we can do here. Now, the barrel has cooled back down since then, so. Now, this Monarch shoots well, my Ruger B14R. Not match grade well, but CCI standard velocity well. Fortunately, I can't say that for a lot of my other rifles I tried it in. Garrett seems to like it best. Now watch Jay Della shoot it through his teak in this big era. I don't think it's liked as well as mine, but I give him excuses though. I think he had too many distractions. Now, for all you naysayers, what do you think about that? Yeah, it's not a one-hole group, but right there. Now I start shooting. I put 10 rounds. You see over to the right there, as a kind of foul in the barrel. As it started clustering in there, then I clicked up a couple notches there. But that's sub MOI group right there. Them are 1-inch squares right there. So okay, let's try the point of the diamond on the left. That sounded a little bit hotter. See, it's right there on the tip of that diamond. Dang it, I think that took me over MOA. That one did. Oh, was it one there? Yeah, or was that 5? Yeah, I guess it was 5. Duh. I'm sorry, I got to try 5 more rounds just to finish off that diamond. What do you think? Yeah, I guess diamond still ain't finished. I'll do a lot of shooting around. I like these style targets right there, kind of right there with the grid on them. I can line up my crosshair so easy, at least for me, you know. I have the most difficulty with my eyes, you know, the old plain old black targets. Okay. I'm going to come up here a little. Come on, 3 clicks here. Okay, let's try that top of the diamond there. That one, yeah, that one's a little bit. That one dropped down there, he took it off. Oh yeah, that one group that's under MOA. So for bulk ammo, I mean, come on. I know I tout the stuff's so cheap, you know, you can get it at Academy. I ain't gonna say the price out, but you guys can look it up. You're allowed to on YouTube. I'm not selling guns and ammo, YouTube. Yeah, but one little one right there. Yeah. All right, guys, let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you next time.